I'm Shelby.
And I'm Karen.
And we're here at Disneyland's new Fantasy Fair. We have 5 things that you must see when coming to see Fantasy Fair. So one of the things you're definitely going to want to see when coming to Fantasy Fair is right here at the Royal Theatre is the Beauty and the Beast show told by Mr. Smythe and Mr. Jones. And it's definitely an entertaining show that your children are going to laugh and giggle and love every moment of it. And another great show that's right here at the Royal Theatre is Tangled. So your favorite story of Tangled is going to come to life right before your children's eyes, right on the Royal Theatre stage.
One of the highlights of the new Fantasy Fair at Disneyland is the Royal Hall. As you can see, we will meet all of your favorite Disney princesses. Be sure to come back throughout the day because the princesses will rotate. This will give you and your loved ones one-on-one time with your favorite princesses for photos, autographs, and more.
While visiting Fantasy Fair, when you start to get a little bit hungry, we recommend you take a visit here to Maurice's Treats. And not a poison apple freeze, but a poison apple freeze. And also they have really yummy cheesy twists here that your kids are just going to love.
Before you leave, as the sun is setting, be sure to stop by and see Rapunzel's Snow twinkle at night.
On this beautiful sculpture. And I'm Shelby.
I'm Karen.
And this is Fantasy Fair.